ena eye lumba busia ede aye nipa ewa asase so adenti na hemfo are now interested omo na agi asem no ato asem no edi than even the busiana and other parties are asem no involve omo asante man fa so ne de he ewa asem we mu in which way and asem we e benefit asante man. We want to know in which way and asem we enrich asante man culture. We want to know. What is asante man interest in Charles Kwajofosu's case? As I say, it was Dadiesoaba. Na bu abasa. When bio na yen share animu. It was that I can't say Dadiesoaba. Now it's na bu abasa. Enti I will to expect ye embrace say ye benya him for more. Amo mo asora balumba case we mu na yate asese. We are preparing say the case is not about abusuasem. Na mom eye akoso abusua na say ekona abusua versus asanteman. Eye dena abusuapani ho asem ehia asante ahemfo chen. Eye dena abusuapani ho asem ehia asante ahemfo chen asantesem. Ensasesem inkodwasem amamre ni amane esem adan na abusuapani baako asem ehia asante ahemfo binom minka so bia asante ahemfo binom than what is expected of them. Yenim shekra no yene ahemfo ewri akasa yene bi mu adidi nkomo ama obia kire se akama mu besi enne ensi da se yesi abusuapani di akotsae a kire wo hene yesi abusuapani mani nsae nkire wo hen yesi abusuapani emane nkosae nkire obi eye abusua no eneyi omu abusuapani omu se omu mpani biewo a omu mpani biewo entam wo ho adentam got nothing to do with say yenene eni enye abusuapani ni sembio entam adenti na monhwa ntam asem ka na bu abasa we de question na bu abasa we de question e bisa na Dadiesoaba ye sembisa ye adenti na monhwa Otumfour ntam kese no asem ho asem nka na afi court e na mokọ prese mo kwa akoka Otumfour ntam ho asem e wo court yenim se yewura sabi e wo hoyi ni nkonnwasem bia no a akọ court oka no Manhyia yewura asasesem oka no Manhyia yewura ntam kese oka e wo fi kesiem ebi si da eti da ben na start na bu abasa ne na Dadiesoaba yepesi ehu we eyamamre yepesi esua ye esusa yenim hwe da ben na isa asese ye okoka yewura ntam ewo court ana bu abasa sabi obeti ma tutu ontuma akọ court se wo kọ akoka asem a wo si yewura na asoma wo yewura di na ade ko ye o ye na ye ka wa na akoka wo court se yewura na asoma adan a entam kese ewo ho ewo kofi usu ene nana pa koso hene ntam enti eni se omoka kofi usu se yatu no so pe nana bu abasa wanum asem no kire se wo na akoka ye na eka wo na wakoka se yewura na asoma wo so ene nana bu abasa ma ya we se yewura sabio asem na ekoso no nyina no onim hu bi nana bu abasa anum asem no the statement okoka no court no unless say wonu ana ekwa akotwa ne ntoro because in some no lawyer no catch any straight say me nye Otumfour na asoma oka kire no lawyer no catch any say pe wonu masema oka enye Otumfour na asoma because Otumfour ntam yenka no court eti na yewura ma ye ya we say na asem bi obetena fikese mu aka no court bi antimi nane no mini se onfa na asem nko court wade ne ho wogina brane wonim na mamre ne na mane wonim na mamra asante mamra wonim sedia ne nanam hyehyade to ho eti asa na Ghana maye no na asante man wo omomra omudi bu omo kuro ana omoman eti no sa asante dane man na sa asante dane man dia eye de na sabio ade ntiye ana ade nsa esum nduriye na obia aswa ne man ekobo ne figi ase ana bu abase ye pese esua de we de enya atem didie enye keseti enya nimtia ye pese esua de eye de na esum nduriye na obia aswa ne man ekobo ne figi ase because asante dane man asante ejina brane asante man wona mamre ne na mane asante man wona hyehyɛ asante man wona mra a wodi sabi yewura edibu asante man badi ankasa na enura ene na ano yeyi asante hema foforo na na yemo akwaba na na otiri nkwa na na nya nkwada enkekoye ma asosem enso asante wona hyehyɛ ne na mamre ne na mane nti yewura ka sɛ masante hema nie obi ani sei because it's final wonim sɛ de wayɛ no ne kwan so no obi antimi nane no ana yewura so ntena se enye hwɛ ha sɛ wɔdan asante amamre ne amane nti wɔyɛ ne wɔ ne kwan so pɛpɛɛpɛ nti yɛde na abusuapanyini ba akɔpɛ ho asɛm abusuapanyini ba akɔpɛ ho asɛm atima ba bɛhyɛ ahemfo bi mu kɔn sɛ yɛatɔ asɛm no yɛatɔ afiri abusua no ntam yɛdi asɛm no yɛyɛ a yɛtumi mu to the sense sɛ yɛtumi de yɛwura din nyinaa tumi kɔpie court yɛtumi de yɛwura din akɔpie court na nabu abasa no kra ne nyame anim yɛpɛsi ahyia amamre ne amane eti we deɛ enka achi there's no way say bibia wo ho a eti amra sɛ ɔhene betuma yɛ press conference ana obetuma explain ni niema entia eti na yɛsrɛw bɛkyerɛ yɛ niema mu kyerɛkyerɛ niema mu kyerɛ asante amamre ne amane mu na yɛnhyia bi we want to learn say since when ana yɛ Newtona asante man initiate sɛ ntam to a yɛtimi kɔ court ɛkɔka ntam ɛwɔ court ana ntam to a yɛtimi kɔ court ɛkɔka ntam ho asɛm ɛwɔ court we want to learn yɛpɛsɛ esua adeɛ because ewiase no adesua ɛyɛ seriously ɛyɛ tie nyina yɛbɛsua adeɛ amana akɔ n'anim busia eni nkomo pache yɛpɛsɛ ehu sɛ asanteman asesa nneɛma mu a sɛ asanteman de hyehyɛ foforo bi aba yɛpɛsɛ ehu sɛ at the end of the day no yɛgyina baabi a yɛbɛtumi aka bi because yɛwura sɛ yɛma yɛ asantesɛm ho nyia yɛn yɛwura num asɛm ne nana ne yɛn yɛsɛ aboa no takra ɛna ɛma aboa no yɛ kɛse eti yewura sabio upon everything odone nananum odone ma yewi a ono anya adagye ma ne nanane ne ma eya na efe keke eya na efe busia Okay. Abusuafo a mo fan no YouTube live mo fan che me. Say mo adom atese say nyum no ya ha mo me pa che mo fa che me. Minim ni sa mo aka che me adada me ye ne mu nyina na ye adwuma ti ate ase. Me da masipa. Abusua, eti the whole thing that we want to learn is say Amanika, good evening. Ye pese esua say asantema de amamre ensise bi aba, new kind of niema bi aba. Mumma ye hu. What must say? Let us know. Because at the end of the day, no, said ya sebi in prejudice. Ye nim se obi akantam enye ye kra no ye tietie wa abusia na anum no. Mfie miensa mu ni 3 years. 3 consecutive years. Mfie miensa. Okay. Ena sebio na nabu abase wa anum asem an ode kọ court no kire se. Entam wo ho ye wura ntam afirato na ye wura de ntam na amam se mo nhwe nka. Eti, whatever be the case, there was entam ansa na etuo eba. Entam got nothing to do with yatunu. Entam ne nipa bienu entam asem. Wanka egu abusia ne so. Okoka egu na nabo achampo so kofro band the third. Eye Otumfour brempo hina wo pa akoso eso na kofi su koka entam gu ni so. Wanka nkoka entam egu abusia no so sem abusia ni nyina. So whereby ubetima aka se ebia entam na oka ye no. Etitire abusia ni nyina. Eti abusia no don't even have say. Per asanteman repair modema eye lawyer fati kire say they have no knowledge or whatsoever concerning Abusuapani nsensem. Per asanteman num asem no say omu nim eni nimdie ana adwene bia na omu hu bibi bia efa Abusuapani ho nsensem. Bibia sa ma omu anim. Na mbom eye one man bia okire mi say ono na ye ekwo na Abusuapani na ewo insuta ene pakoso ena aka ye wurantam ejagu na nabo achampo so kofro by the third so asa nsam no according to Asantema Traditional Council reply say omo refer asem no kra ma na Dadiesoaba omo na nabu for ajomo light. To my best of knowledge asem no ye kan wa himfie. ECG for ajomo light abusia studio session close. Hi. ECG for hi my chance my Ghana. Hey. Say nothing is working in Ghana. Bibia no here adwuma Ghana. Bibia oh God. Bibia nye adwuma Ghana. Firi hihi kosi hihi. Abusia de omudi aye wo studio no no. Beba. Oh no. Okay. Abusia we are back. Oh, it's even funny and interesting. Oh my just by Ghana. 1%. Ghana is 3-2. Edion. And then I call Casa Conference call. Na ya disco dia discotheque. Ese be fan sa. E be fan sa na yet to asodi ko. Babusia. Eti ye de when we sit down, we ask questions. We do comparison, we do analysis. Then whatever be the case, yeah, jiwa, jai, jiwa. nsuo ntu nsuo bi adu a ɛtɔ wɔ me ha. No, I say because of the rain, it's not raining in my place. Me hands should be anyway. It would be fine on to an angle. So, Abusia, ye pese nana buabasa nana onana mu ye nin sound. The ebet me bisa say, asantema de sese for fraba me pacha mo ma ye hu. Because it seems that Charles Kwade for case we know that some of the ahemfo no are more interested. In fact, very much interested. Their interest in this case is beyond imagination. It's beyond imagination. So we want to know. Because in himself, Nana Dadiesoaba, and I am for Akat Yakasa lawyer, I requested say Omusupi Nano. Na omra mechre de ntia sel wose eye Kofi Owusubu ahe da so ye Abusuapani enti ye ni ba bia asasem we nyina free from Nana Buabasa side. In fact, when they can say ambush litigation, a very serious issue. It was just boom. You suspected that who asem that. Meaning, sir, we should be ready, sir. There are more miracles to come. Let's embrace ourselves, sir. There are more surprises to come. Because I am for now are more interested in this case than even the parties involved. Some of the Ahemfo are more interested in Lumbe's case than even the parties involved. Let us embrace ourselves for me, Pacho. More surprises. Surprises be beba because Nana Buabasa the in fact the most surprised to me. Nana Buabasa the try me surprise. Say what my court say. Ye ran asoma no adaya Kofi Usu to ohun sensem no anye bia no entam kese wo ho enti because of entam no nti. Oh really? And the lawyer asked say, so for how long ena santam no aba bedi mu nsem? For how long? And now the entam just appeared miraculously appeared miraculously and appear say pa and time once amaba. Something which has been in your arms, which has been lying in your bosom for almost or for 3 years now. Yentimi can once him. And time no once about 3 years. Mantima can't time no once 3 solid years. 36 months. Mantima can't once him. And Nebuchadnezzar said, Omuntimi ni Kofi Usu nya adwuma bio. Yetu no. Eti omra meche ba bia isi lumba. Omra mebu akontan. From nowhere, boom. Nana Buabasa has appeared. Say the Busha don't have right. So because somewhere to confuse you, or because there is entam. The entam is between two people. Nana Buachampo so Kofro band the third. Any Kofi Usubuahe, it does not involve the whole family. Kofi Usun kwa kantam ngwa bushani nyina so. So adentina you mun shana mun deal with asamno between Kofi Usu and Nana Buachampo nsa. At least it's fair to do the matter between Kofi Usu and Nana Buachampo nsa. It's fair. Why involve the whole family? Meaning say abusuani nyina say omo ka ho. That's what you people want us to believe. Say in time no abusuani nyina e ka omo. O say sana say mo person mo e say abusuani nyina ɛka ɔmo
anabu abasa ba court wɔse Otumfour ɛna asoma sɛ ɔmmra na ɔmɛka asɛm nkyerɛ court ɛfa asɛm bi a ababa that court so in respect of that the court ne maa ne kwan sɛ ɔnka deɛ Otumfour aka ahyɛ n'ano na deɛ no ɔka nyinaa ne sɛ ɔsɛ ntam kɛseɛ aba abɛduru n'anim na asɛm no ɔnya nkae ntam kɛseɛ no asɛm nti enum a na ayɛ sɛ ɔkɛkyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm no bebree na yɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ saa asɛm no nti na yɛwɔ ha sɛ nti esu busa ne sɛ kɔɔto busa ne sɛ na bɛn na ntam kɛseɛ no ebɛduru n'anim a wɔntumi nyɛ ho adwuma ama saa asɛ nsɛm wɔ nyinaa yɛ dɛ aba na ɛhuru na kɔɔto so kaa sɛ na ebi sɛ ɔsɛ Otumfour asoma no a Otumfour ka kyerɛ ne sɛ njanhyɛ ne na ɔma bɛyɛ di a ɔbɛma ne kwan ma ɔno bɛka ntam kɛseɛ ho asɛm ɛna Otumfour nso nsoma ne sɛ ɔma bɛka ntam kɛseɛ ho asɛm wɔ kɔɔto ɛhɔ na abɛtumi ka sɛ sɛm no ɔno ɔba bɛka wɔ kɔɔto no sɛ Otumfour asoma no no ɛnyɛ nokorɛ nti kɔɔto no so ka sɛ ɛnyɛ saa asɛm no na ɔbɛba bɛka wɔ kɔɔto nti njanhyɛ asɛm na yɛba bɛyɛ dɛ yɛba bɛka
abusua we don't know the interest a ahemfo wɔ ɛwɔ nkurɔfoɔ nsɛm mu ɛde ani atɛm nti sɛ ntam wɔ hɔ a adɛn na monhwɛ nka ntam no asɛm no sɛ woanrestrain wo ho a anhwɛ a na waka kɔbu no waka kɔ baabi ani sɛ woka kɔ but yɛ mu bi no that's not
But so much as one mumpene man and Queen no court one.
ɛno deɛ yɛn ɛno ho asɛm na ɛkɔkae ɔmo se sɛdeɛ otie voice no
Yeah.
ɛkyerɛ sɛ ya ntam abɛduru n'anim nti ɛwɔ sɛ ɔhwɛ ntam no na ɔyɛ dɛ ɔka
Menchawano, Mr. Enti and Tam.
Nti bra ko jo court no
Oba Mr. Mama Nancy, Mama Nancy. Me pacho, Enti and Tam no. Omo de beko or yana no Otumfour nim na waka ana omo na eji aka. Akwajo bacho. Already asem we die. Ding.
Hello, Brakwajo.
abusua mfa kyerɛ me yɛ a na mo fa life no ne ade course no woyɛ saa na yɛ disturb abusua me pa kyerɛ me tie a Joy, I think say a later issue.
What the letter echo.
Me see later issue.
Oh, okay, Matthias.
A network and I say like mo temeka.
Well, yeah, too, Campacho now, we'll take her.
Me
Yeah. Case no, many case no, it's a different. So
okay, say different one there. Could you fair enough? Maybe sabi then I make a platform is for educational purpose.
Yeah.
It's ABA said they work on my ABA na ye case we. Matthias here.
Right, could you say obey Abusuapani the nka confirm because nana ya ubo ni di. I think so on sunya case this our court is and me kra wo come here and I say Buaba say asama okay on so nya some court case be relating to be say ya into obey Abusuapani the ya afre Abusuapani ne confirm he my right.
Medase.
the team leader for you, Mr. Omen, another Sakis you will need Mr.
Matthias could you okay. And yeah, Abusia on that note, no said you could you work as a nana any more no. Say we wanted to understand. And I said the joy munyina canon. You make reference because baby a free banana the be almost send the mama no. I was say it's related to this case. But he said the also the was wakano. When say me by no I've asked questions. Said has things changed? But one mama tia say no. Me da jamia say ye niatem ye didi atema enka ebia enka different yes a wafra bakra oba be kan say
Bra ko bi makai account bi a friend no kwasi buacha ya oba ahomate be ye analysis ema support ma say one no ka say similar case bi say ya nana ohini ya obo ni din yeah
Team leader for Mr. What take it
so the only David say unse ye no your platform no say wahwe hu a we say obia na adwemu donti oba pe obia person obisa questions before be comment be it negative or positive because everybody wanted to be sure me pacho what ma say kodi ewu na ye adwuma na ye no wa ha 16 niggas bro me ye say me from him fro eti na on say wahwe obia ba obisa questions o person oti na ma say answer say baby a ebia nka get them
because when you say video de buy na chava sheva was one another no how about so
okay it's Abusia on that note no I think say minim say ebia ye kasa no said you could work ye no ntia but ye no atia kra na nana nim say ne nana mo question na ye bisa a ye pe asem bi nchirechire mu enti ye nim say problem bi ani achire but on that you know die ye nim say eye nana Dadiesoaba de court no omusupina no said ye nkofo chirechire mu no say asantema traditional council they won't me from kojina court because all the sentiment traditional council court now party say we was over court because onu na ye overall boss of asantema traditional council eti eno they won't me from court now mo individually eti na said the opinion na numa asem okan na me de was asemboni nti na ye den ye chiche din ye kan na ya boni panidin ye kan na ya boni panidin eti this case why would you woman no we can call you individually. Won ko ana ya fra na de wa be gina court. Na chese wa ba be den. Wa ba be kire wo nsemu. But o koso a na wo ko wa utumi mu. Enti we are looking forward say eye na Dadiesoaba supina no omo be supina na watima ba be piem na wa ba be yin nsem ano. Enti okọ as in the capacity as
Pacho twa no. Also
okay.
you know I for someone to subpoena no and to say normal people no be for process mu kakra. Yeah, and say be individual be ana akosupina na say wombra. No. It doesn't work like that. On be for process. Also lawyer na kasa kra no say it's not just a normal people or Hene. Te no be for process mu kakra. Ahwe afa baby any di on say normal person. Yeah. Don't be ma respect ne dignity aye juma no ma for process ma say no Hene ba. We yes say otifi ne apaka say atwe say court say brother be we na be for process kakra. Ama say bi apa normal kakra say that's it.
Okay. But ni nyina akɔwie sɛ process no nyina bɛkɔ akɔwie sɛ ɛyɛ den a wɔsɛ nyia no bi ba.
And then they overcall. Yeah, and then.
Yes sɛ oti hɔ na yɛ de abrɛ na mom ɛfa process mba ni nyina bɛkɔ akɔwie asɛm na wie yɛ ne sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ obɛkyerɛkyerɛ nneɛma mant asɛyɛ adwuma. Sɛ wɔ na asɛm na wie yɛ tie.
Exactly, yeah.
Or in summary, he has to go. Adam, and then I can want some no. Say you all want to learn. And he say Akoban is say he will run to you.
Oh,
him. In him. Already Argentina all running to UK to do what? To do what? Risky. Risky. Yeah, go ahead, anyway. Risky.
Asemo. Bichache Ebusuafo nyina. Let's work. Boss one here.
yo, na we share video ma me share say na mo twem na ba ma na tili ga ba to ba say.
Dia asemo abani abekro. Ibi abi wom. Ofa kwa ka me kan se we nyina ke mo. Ofa.
It's a money to the chief, the alternative one call. Men na do no mo hwe.
Ofa. What is na lock ato yeso. What is and also there. SCSC part 1 and 2. Ben day.
The way the Tiliga for Esremo, video na mote no say a different case in a case no Esremo. But no man could jam na bo abasa so Esremo. Na bo abasa odre no ho. On it to park in Asambia, on it to park in Tem, on it to park in Tem, pop. On it to park in Tem, pop until the Seremo. Seremo. Events and some money say change another Dadiesoaba lady wapa so to the Seremo. Tinana Dadiesoaba also wako. Local church is yeah. It's record do patch message from that sponsor became me.
Eti ya na se chemu aba.
So
De wo. Da se chemu aba na. Budi to park achi a. Some e be pie no. And lo emom no. Ni di wom ni yesebra be yo hu ano. Yami adbo papa.
Kojo me da se ne adwuma pa wo ye. Kojo de tie ne se supina no ma me chem kakra. Me de masam court. O Kumasi High Court. Na de tie ne se na court register ho wom. Kojo court register ho na ne ho wom asem ni mu. Me masem ni mu. Na supina no judge na grant supina o. Lawyer and a request subpoena. Some me pese ekofre asumasi ba. It is asumasi na ekofre na ba no. Se wo ye panyini. Se wo nye panyini. Subpoena no ya nya subpoena wa untimi nkasa wo ma. Ana Ghana mra no so kire say nobody is above the law. So what you say? Etimi me case na me make no. Your subpoena court register. The whole Kumasi court register. Na wo so wo ma. Bana also one man, I can't record to bail leave, Eddie Pipano no command, no, or so ma. As some catch a bail leave, no. It was John who said, a cobonny, you know. Anna on one anti-buy. Because one ma, I can remember lawyer, no, I and I drink say, on my yakochino. So I say, I know your contempt, who will come for 1 year. 80, Sananas, your fence, Nana. Nana Dadiesoaba de na ye ka no. Judge na grantee. It is a judge in your grantee. Bailey Beko na Dadiesoaba ahimfie e de paper. Lawyer no bet me. Am ya betu every baby a wo bia. So what I say kojo. Enti ya president for nyina no ye sopina mo mbejira court. President ye ti bet ma sopina Amo abijina court. Kojo eba broso. Ahwe ko obetime debate 3-4 days kra court wo. Me na me ka kire wo.
Ense me adaka ma.
Dabi me so wo hene nya ba. Lawyer ni betime aka say obetime aka kire court no say nsem no obusa wo hene no onya nwie no. Onya musa ni nwie no. Eti next day obesa hia no. Wa ahwe ko obeti be 1 week wo court wo. Obe bato aso sa. Etu omu nyanya answers ni wi a anase na ma ka kire judge ni say omu nsem omu pese ombusa no ma wi ana judge nso kojo esa wo ye fair so ono lawyer ni kase onya wi wa judge ni ntimi kan kire wo lawyer nti ngina o wa wi nti no case no ntimi nyesa so ata se kojo esa wo judge no ma lawyer no kwan ma obusa question bi o pese obusa bia eti me dem nim say nsem pa ne beba me nsa ne me hu no me nim say nsem pa because Dadiesoaba Hene kojo wo videos go ye be pini no all that videos so anin sama waka wabontin nyina
why nyina concerning ya waka say onu na ya ne say
ni nyina beba
yinu ka no
ya
be ni nu ka
ni nyina eti kojo amo panic pa ye bebo ni videos nyina wo court wo I promise you. Wona ujira bonte ka se Manhyia
say who ni say oba adaka no mu a ne ma be more than
west kojo west into onso be onu be say o ma e bia ba na o ma no be make sure say e bia obe ma Manhyia de no mo kan wo Otumfour ne plan offer me no ka say ne plan offer
serious
eti ni nyina be gina you have ma be mpoma me lawyers no so almost bet me gina o ka say no asem court ne ya ne pese kan
because o tro ma lawyer fate
sana che ahiya court
Eti wo ani as party bi be gyina so. Kind of court.
Yeah, it will come time. A part of us to clear schedule more can. Mr. Kojobi, what are things maybe to it? It was assumption or assumption or assumption. The American answer, President will be any more we are saying about the law. What judge no? On a judge no crowd, or on better your friend about, but judge on pet, say your friend about. Say, some kind of meeting, say, bribe for Yamana, we show. Because Nipana or Baby General Cassan, no assembly. And I would judge and would even was them. It is a one can year, would judge the one was in the year. Maybe case 6 years in court register home court register or panicking our courtroom or ban no setting was set up telling or panicking a surprising say ultimate subpoena is because court one something and as some so I did that wrong one maybe a family case no who bom say over. Now, but Jenny was your court to over. Let me catch him. And he was your G and you. Menokas, I guess, in my given to Yamanokas.
Wow.
Eti, court was several. Judge, you know, or no, the you said. What did you say that? What did you say that in your some zoom? Yeah, because also he postponed. Case in the court 3 months in 2 months in a family no have been but me I to pass here. Dako. Ye team come here yan we dey kodo. Obia your friends say pa koso him nyina team come here. We go win some be si court. Ana kodo dey me take to no nyan say pa koso hene no. Sa lo ya fatim nim say like we are real. Omo nim say friend na omo share that car e ka tell court wo say omo be hia pa koso hene no. Kodo only and some beer bisa pakosonwe. Because a man plan to Ex-Abusuapani na a man and na or no pakosonwe na or to me or no bet masaki to pack or no akasa bet masaki. It woman is a beer open some but just frustration just frustration on per se pakosonwe and bana as me fan say was here be sa wasting time if you busa if you they know and in time they Otumfour time and Otumfour the veteran in time and you hearing you or one chain and to go to medicine why
medicine said your work at the end of the day no because Nana Boa Champion so go for ban sorry so or two kopi usubuai was it me maame mo mpanyimfo me nananom na se omo atu no na wo fa mo se omo atu no na se abusua na me no omo na amama ye ohene se omo ni person asintimi nya adwuma biwa who am I to go against their words then I support them omo anu masem na me support let us say we that you ask the family because me there I'm just a supporter
sanity
maybe a supporter na na nipa no ko bo ne ball no ai age penalty no omo obugina park so a omo bobo amaya age penalty no watwa ho aba be sa supporter say adenti no omo ahwa ma omo age penalty na ye bi a supporter bobo supporter spectator
Kojo say dey be baba mum e be baba pa me say omo plan next step me na me catch no they plan serious pa okay omo plan pa yeah omo plan pa kwa mbe fa so a omo ko jina sa court wo sa se sa no plan yeah enti na omo pie about na mama chana mo no omo ni mai se yes because omo say this so I say yeah me say pa koso Dadiesoaba Hene o me di one day pen e court go wa ho betwem be 1 week
Me na me ka kyerɛ.
Wow.
So atasi. Ana sa ko me na me bisa nsɛm, me nya bisa nsɛm wie ya. So nkɔɛ. So atasi. Aha. Enti ebe ya akɔnyaba saa. No mo omo di. Me say o de Areba ni video anu akasa bɛka sɛ me hyɛ ni mu bi. Ɔbɛka sɛ ya. Obi gyina court we transfer sɛ ya.
Oh yeah, I didn't a bit my possible. I said, obi di asem me so sound very you know me say AI. Ban, I think say Nema Edi anymore ban more than what the above between, because this is the time of those who has been part of it, who has been decision makers, or more taking decision for some way from the one. I think that this is the time they are dragging them in. Oh, princess mommy to make was see oh, okay. Okay. Osikani.
Na brago jo. Na design. Na brago jo. Me wisa say me ba o. Ase mo tena se a. O hene bia owo mu no otie. Ono enye na busuafo ne kobo ne charge ni YouTube akọ no so be di ade. Ba o hene bia se no hene bi ne nesi so. Ana na busuafo kobo charge. Ese waye. Ento mu mpeni biem. Ana Otumfour tu no. Eno no abusafo ne se ono na medi no mudi no ono be di. Amdo ono no kwa na edi ni be di e. Encha de ti won de abusafo be se abusapanyi ni yese ye mpena. Ye tu na de chinchina ho ko chole ta se chinchina ho de open no. Ba wo so abusafo ne ka ne tu ba akoma wo be di e. They know this fast and say abusafo ne ko bo na charge.
Yes.
Yes, I'm born a charge bed or any bibu born.
Any bubono.
Ana wo abusafo ne yi wo se wo no mo
nominate you ma obedi ade.
Ana mo do Dadiesoaba ba hene baaye. Eye de na wo de abusafo bi se omo do mo tu obi nipa ne ya de omo mpe no. Omo so bi fufuro no omo pe ne so omo boa omo busua na. Wo de wo so wo ntia se. Na wo sa na ba ko no mo ka so mo ntia se nka wo bedi ye.
Dabi.
Ono de na asem nya kwa o. Nsem ye tetero.
Ata na ase. And seven more can I because no be na esi so.
Yes.
And I'm telling you, any nearby be tabush, and so moon penny view.
Yes.
I'm do. And I yura estabio. Yura say one on 2 Hene. Abusha for the bed too. And I yura for us was one on 2 Hene. And I was so near my and no near my was to buy and a D2. And an issue in a banner which are for no book and a 2 no. A and I said you Emma say Winya Quenya Emma Subedi. Eye wa busua no mu.
Me say.
Na e bi wa busua.
Me say ko na about group no mo dan sa abusua no dan no. I afoko I fufu bi o mu kura adwasa ne ma na ekoso no.
Just feku.
Yes. I fufu bi o ma me be say me say ye me bia me di agroko me nipa o me start aba o me profile picture me pictures a me di 80 oh
Osika te me kana osika network na teko.
E bi si da o. Bravo yo.
Yeah.
Na me nche o kasa.
Eto kapa. Meto kapa, beto kasa pa. Osika meto nkan.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
SSC.
did my one word.
Abufa.
Back on your good evening.
Median say. Median
If I
say.
travel plan, I can no, you know it's media wife.
Bragoji.
Bravo, Dimechi.
Pacho median say.
Oh, sir.
Whisker, yeah.
Yeah,
Family affair,
Bragoji.
Abufa.
Sorry, good
Yes,
evening.
Abufa.
Now,
Good evening,
where?
Abufa.
Median say.
Nyame adom na so.
Nana Kofi Atobra. I'm mentioning your name.
Ntwra ye ne say. Obi na ekire mi say woyɛ abusuapanyin. Na mmom, ɔmo de ɔmo nim hwee. Ɔno na waka ntamagu ɛyɛ yɛ ka ne say. Na na
Pako so
boatam
in so.
so. Meaning say they don't have any register or document that supposed to tell say where you be abusuapanyin.
Yes.
Where you be abusuapanyin. They don't have that record. They don't have that
Dadiesoaba
record.
so letter was say ana na yi nana boache de yi bre no nana boache de yi Abusuapani Kofi Tupac e be chia o yo eduru wa na wakotere wai se obi a onya kuo na ni me eduru wa me pese lawyer na busa na asem ba ko pese ba ko so akonwa no wo na wo so ye fake na kamu nsem kire yen e yere na akonwa ne baaye hwan akonwa ne firi he ka ho abakosem kire yen se wantimi ana che se wo ye intruder wo de wo ho kwakwahye obi abusua asem mu. And number 2, the Pakoso family no see Nana Boache Kofro by say, or no, your mo head. And the Obeka Biano a stance. See, you nim can I say, Abushani na could jina Nana Boache chia, you are own to Nana Boache. Who confuse you now on better.
Yes.
Say you're calling a uranim, it's because I am one who confuse you or selfish interest in tea. Obi a ne biological mother. Akopra konya ne maame ankasa adi hima na obeka chen say onye audition. How dare you? And chese wo kra yewura kra umu no chese yeyi Otumfour judgment awodi ama no kra enye papa. What oti ase? Ini na actual for chese Otumfour maame atwema so 19 years no. Otumfour enim je.
Odia kunya akoma akoa.
Dadiesoaba we nyina wa anwene hu. Minim nipa na wa besese wachi. Obi a wose na nanom enim ho hwe na wakotua stadium ka we ade na judge na ye no ade na judge na ye me hu ni say opese okasa kire Manhyia say Manhyia mfrasem no mu nsiesie na say Manhyia frasem ni say no mu nsiesie say kima Dadiesoaba ho aka you best start from there lumba wu you.
Yes.
Say Manhyia frasem no say yesiesie best start from there na lumba wu because Kumasi
yeah my yet say wasi Manhyia say asanteman any court say onkoye na eyi.
Oh, videos na dey say dog.
No man say to me say
Order no.
I say onkoye na eyi no. Yewura baby sam.
Dadiesoaba ebema ayenfu bebre enhu aturo mu enkuri ya na sama Hene nyina ya me ya like ya me ya say Dadiesoaba akotwe mu nyina bewura asem we mu because say judge no ade na judge na ye no more or less like oka say Manhyia mfre no nsiesie so say momfa necessary we na momfa no mo by 2 months that's a Manhyia mfre the judge will have no option than to say momra no on the tomano. What you say? The Manhyia so nya frasem ni say kim ne koduru yewura ni mu a he say asem ya beda media you say e the Kumasi traditional council akogina court yi registrar no umpeu ye the court summons ne brewa e beka the docket and I say papers e wo registry ho no e beka ho nti o say obo samane what you say e o say obo samane nti say o ka che yewura na so obu na ni gusu na say ono so amfra say na mo court. I say we are so betimi aso bibia Abusuapani amana ye nyina ayete ha ye hwe mo na de na wo ye no amafo bibiri aka ahemfa kese nyina etufu jayo minim de ntia he want to bully the family. Oh say enimgwa say awo je
no afina na bo a champion sense.
Say let me know try say Pakoso akodwane is under him. Who is under you?
If you are Santima traditional council no say pedia status code in as much as entam wo ho no entam no entimi enye say na nabo a champion santimi performing the duty aso hene wose ntam no nsi ne ho kwan
nanga wokura de we kura wokura we o cha me confuse
ntam no nsi na nabo ate ho
o
kwan
cha me kwakusu akobo yewura mane wa ora kan you say o cha me kwakusu akobo yewura mane nanga wo ha we wo me dey Dadiesoaba nanga wo ha we wo me dey yakobo yewura mane about the ntam enti what is
no akra na kai da bi ono akra na kai yo se asem no ni nsem na ensa asem no akwa kodi ewura nsem
enti what is your business
but per register no say no asem no wo nsem
enti what is your business Dadiesoaba sika wa kwaje ne su serious wade na Dadiesoaba ye no na se we eboba bani na ye nim say ya na obepuputu akuduru say ya na obepre akuduru on ba bia wama na nanom say o hene ba media akora keto awi edu akuduru kokote o media minim ba bia on nam say no omunim say ye betimi asupini o ma edo ma ba o they least expected this
ayira obi hunu ba bia ofa na nanom say say
me say ebeduru obra kwajo ebeduru Dadiesoaba beka so yare okoko UK op ka bet me by 27th October obeka so yare me da say
Andrew court na be 27 6 na be Andrew sinyame adom na so nyame adom na so was he has given power of attorney to say Alex so say Alex na okay Andrews
Ola ni munye
every me ha any me ho ya na so
oh dabi abrochile de yela ntwetwensi o
and
de yela dem
dana me ho ya na so okay and network every ya
hello Kojo hello
oh Andrews
hello
oh Andrews cobra
abrochile de yela dem o
yen pa de free me Andrews cobra because me bisa dana say ne ho ya no what my reply Andrews cobra request bra because dana temenka obi atemenka what ma say enti sure we hear you bro enti Andrews en free me yeah ana free me I wish am free me ana me network no